Yo, what's up everybody? I don't know if you guys can see me, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm right under a lamp. This train is passing me, so it's kind of loud. I'll speak as loud as I can. I don't know if you noticed, but this is a rare sighting. Tell me what you noticed from this sighting right here. We're about to get this race started. It's kind of dark, so it might not be the best footage. GoPro kind of sucks at night. It might just be my settings, but I'll see what I can do, okay? Let's do this. There's a lot of cars, so we might not even get to do this today. We'll see what happens. Let's go. We got a quick inspection right here. Double checking the coolant and everything else. I don't know what you do when you have a turbo, but
don't call my stock soap, bro.
Yeah, we got stock. My bad. Stock power, baby. All stock. Stock G versus stock Evo. Let's go. All right, what looks better, these headlights or the Evo headlights? Let's check this out.
My shit's too bright. Watch.
It's just too bright. It's all good. You need that for driving anyways. It is kind of bright. You can't really tell. Let me see if I can get a close-up. Damn, oh, that's so sick. Woo. It changes color, but we're not gonna do that yet. We gotta get this race started.
I don't like it. It's too bright, though. Way too bright.
I think it's nice. Let me have it. It's a $2,000 drone, man. This shit's nice. I want it. I should ask him to put this on the line tonight. Let's see what happens. I don't have anything to give up for $2,000 though. Ooh, you see that? I think that was the GTI. All right, we got some color shifts coming. Let me get the other side so my shadow's out the way.
What you want? What color you want?
Whatever you want, man. I like to see some red in my rear view mirror. I meant. You guys gonna be seeing this tonight in my rear view window. He's gonna be looking at my new tail lights. Let's go see what those new tail lights look like. So this is so I just installed these earlier today. Oh, you guys won't see that video with this video. It's a different video. Doesn't look too bad. Tell me what you think. Drop a comment down below. We're about to get started right now. I keep saying that, but it's gonna happen sooner or later. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down that way, come back this way, maybe do a punch down this way, and probably do another one back that way. We might do first at 20, second at 40, maybe third at 60 if we have enough space to do that big of a roll. But if we don't, then first and second gear only. And of course, always gotta be ready for the cops. Speed limit, although that's a bicycle, never mind. No speed limit here. Got a zone right there, baby. We're gonna fly that shit all the way to the moon. All right, here's the first one. This first one's gonna be first at 20. Yeah.
Okay, you hop.
Okay. Baby, woo! I don't know what happened there, but that was pretty good. All right, U-turn, U-turn. All right, we're gonna do first at 20 again. Let's go. almost. Let's try one more time. I think I could get him. Let's do a 20 roll. I mean 40 roll. 40 roll, baby, 40 roll. What happened? Time lapse? No. I'm just saying your shit's quick, dude.
Wait,
What happened?
so, no, you were next to me, right?
I was kind of next to you, yeah. About maybe a fender. You probably beat me about a fender. I think that first gear I have you, but I don't know, man. Your shit pulls up too quick.
First gear, full, dude.
All right, we're gonna try a second at 40. All right, let's see what happens here.
Second gear at 40?
Second at 40. Yep.
Alright.
Let's go. Fuck, if you know what that squeak is, let me know. Oh, hell no! Nope, can't get him. Woo, look at that flame! Shit! I gotta keep that first and 20. That second and 40 is way too slow for me. Let's try it again. First at 20. If I can't get him this time, then fuck it. But I am gaining power. That's the goal here, remember. The goal is to get power, and I am getting there. Let's go. Damn, dude, what happened? I thought your shit is not quick on 40, but that shit's fast. That shit pulled me.
Hey, it's time to switch.
Switch what?
Switch cars.
I'm down, but I'm kind of scared right now. You want to do another one? First at 20? Second at 40, I can't get you.
Shit, alright.
All right, one more first at 20, and then we might call it a night. Huh?
You want me to honk?
Yeah, you can honk this time, all right?
Okay.
Hold up. Shit, I heard all those gears grinding. I hope you guys didn't hear that. Let's redo this. That was bad. Damn, that's embarrassing. I was trying to just jam through those gears, but fuck. Damn, I missed that second one, dude. Fuck. Hey, let's try to let's go forward. There's a car coming. Pull over to the side. All right, check it. So one thing I forgot to mention is that from first to second, my car kind of jumps a little bit, meaning it skids. I don't know if that is causing me to lose power, but after second, he kind of gets me a little bit. From first gear, we're pretty neck and neck. He beats me by like half a fender, or a fender I meant. But on second gear, man, that was not fun. Fuck. All right, we're gonna do it again, but let's wait for these cars. Let's put the windows up this time and see if I get more or less drag. I'll keep the sunroof open, or sunroof down too. I'll keep it slightly open so I could hear the honk. I get close to him, but fuck, man, I don't know what's going on, dude. Look at those green though. I really don't know. Maybe his car is just too light. He is 300 pounds lighter than me, so that might be a big difference, of course. Power to weight ratio is not the same, so that's my excuse. All right, this might be it. Time to go, man. Time to go. If you guys enjoyed what you saw, give it a thumbs up, share it, or go subscribe to me. I appreciate it. Thank you. Later, guys. Later. Alright, this is the cool down. Gotta open this shit so it vents out. I don't have a carbon fiber hood. I don't have ventilators up here, so this is the only thing I could do. Same thing with this one. Oh, he has vents, so it's all good here. Yeah, my tank is a quarter. What about you?
Maybe a quarter of it.
I tried running my gas down for today so that way I could be light, but at the end of the day I'm still about 300 pounds heavier, maybe 2. But damn, man, damn.
You keep skidding, though.
Yeah.
Every gear you keep skidding all day.
Oh, you can hear on my skids every gear?
Yeah.
Damn, maybe I need wider tires or slicks.
You need to run slicks.
I don't know much about slicks yet, but we'll figure that out. All right, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I said before, right before this clip, long story short, the goal was to get more power, and I definitely got more power. I just don't know why I can't get him yet. Maybe I'll never get him, but it's okay, because maybe I'll never get him now with the E85. But I might do nitrous or boost my car. I want to boost though. Maybe I shouldn't waste money on nitrous, huh? Let me know what you think. Hit me down below. Drop a comment. See you guys later. And if you enjoy this, like I said, subscribe. There's more content to be coming. Peace.